Welcome to my channel. In today's video I would like to show you Heal Yourself reading cards by Inna Segal. This deck has 36 cards and 85 pages guidebook. I bought this deck in an online shop called Oxfam. This deck comes in a beautiful magnetic box. It has been published by Rockpool Publishing. The guidebook is in full color. There is some introduction. How to use these cards. 1 card reading. 3 or 4 card reading. If you do a free card reading, the first card represents the past, second card represents the present, and the third card represents the future. Now it shows you the individual cards. It's nice you can see the full picture of the card on one side, the keyboard and some brief information. It also gives you the action if you want to work with this deck on a deeper level. My favorite card in this deck is number 31, Unleash Your Creativity. Your creative talents and abilities are your most powerful assets. Allow your imagination to roam without limits and access new ideas without judging them. It is time for you to be innovative and birth unique creations. If you are feeling stuck, get up and move, try new things, meet new people, read books or paint. Concentrate on the area of your life where you need to be creative. Are you a great singer who needs to share your talents with others? Do you have an affinity with gardening? Can you tell powerful stories? Are you technically minded? Can you whip up amazing meals? What is your special flavor of creativity? Whatever it is, give yourself permission and the time to be inventive. The more creative you allow yourself to be, the more fulfilled you are going to feel. And the action is focus on a challenge. Ask yourself, is this true, or are there other points of view I can adopt in relation to this issue? Take some pencils and pens and draw these options without judging or limiting them. Then stand up and ask your higher intelligence to show your new ways of doing things. Put on some music and dance. When the song ends, ask yourself, what other possibilities and creative ideas can I access? Take a pen and paper and write them down. At the end of the guidebook, you also have a space for some notes. There are also some information about the artists. And also some information about Inna Segal. These cards are quite large. If you can see my hand, it almost covers all my hand. But I don't have any issues with the shuffling, so they are just fine. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.